Not every app on your phone deserves a spot on your home screen, but every once in a while, you come across one that actually adds something new to the experience. Today, we're looking at a few apps that stand out for mobile gamers, and one of them even lets you collect rewards while you play.
If you love discovering tools that make you think, wow, that was easy, you're in the right place. We test platforms, reveal hidden features, and teach you quick ways to boost your creativity, productivity, and your content game.
Before we look at the rest of today's apps, I want to show you one I've been testing recently called LoyPlay. Can you really earn rewards playing mobile games? What if your gaming time could actually earn you rewards? I recently tried LoyPlay, Play and Earn, an app where you complete simple game tasks and activities to collect coins and rewards, with fast PayPal withdrawals available for US Android users on Google Play. You can earn by trying games, completing activities, and even using the referral system to keep building rewards over time. If you already spend time on mobile games, this makes it feel a little more productive and fun. Check it out if you enjoy mobile gaming and reward apps, and always use apps responsibly and review the terms before participating. The first thing that happens when you launch LoyPlay is a quick onboarding process. You'll answer a few simple questions like your gender, age range, and what types of games you enjoy playing. It's a pretty standard setup, but I like that it immediately starts tailoring the experience based on your interests instead of throwing hundreds of random games at you. Once you're inside, the app has a surprisingly straightforward layout. At the bottom, you've got sections like Discover, Categories, Events, Wallet, and Profile. So instead of digging through complicated menus, everything is organized into clear sections. Right away, you'll notice that LoyPlay revolves around game discovery and activity tracking. One thing I noticed is that the app doesn't focus on just one type of game. Inside the categories section, there are puzzle games, casual games, card games, simulation titles, and several other genres. That makes it easier to find something you're actually interested in playing rather than forcing you into a specific game. And when you tap on a game, you can see a list of activities connected to it. For example, some tasks involve opening the game, playing for a certain amount of time, or completing basic in-game actions. Everything is presented step by step, so it's easy to understand what you're supposed to do next. From a usability standpoint, the app feels fairly beginner-friendly. Most buttons are large, navigation is simple, and the overall flow is easy to follow. Even if you've never used a gaming rewards platform before, it doesn't take long to understand where everything is. I also like that there are multiple layers of progression happening at the same time. You've got game activities, profile levels, daily objectives, events, and challenges all running together, which helps keep the experience from feeling repetitive. Overall, I found LoyPlay easy to navigate, and if you enjoy mobile games, the added reward activities make the experience a little more engaging. If you'd like to learn more, you can check out the link in the description and explore how the app works for yourself. Now, let's get back to the rest of today's video. Another type of app every mobile gamer should know about is performance optimization apps. Whether it's clearing unnecessary background processes or helping your phone run a little smoother during gameplay, these tools can make long gaming sessions feel much more comfortable, especially on older devices. I'd also recommend checking out game community apps. They're a great way to discover new titles, find gameplay tips, connect with other players, and stay updated on events or new releases from your favorite games. And finally, cloud gaming apps are becoming more popular than ever. Instead of relying entirely on your phone's hardware, these platforms let you stream supported games over the internet, opening up even more ways to enjoy gaming on mobile. Whether you're looking for new games to play, better performance, or new ways to enjoy mobile gaming, having the right apps can make a huge difference. And if you want a game that can give you reward, that's exactly why I thought LoyPlay was worth sharing earlier. And that's it for today's list. Whether you're looking for new games to play, ways to improve your gaming experience, or apps that make discovering mobile games easier, I hope you found something worth checking out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more mobile gaming tips, app reviews, and tech content. And let me know in the comments, which app are you most excited to try? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.